The wound is the place where the light enters you. Pay attention to your patterns. The ways you learn to survive may not be the ways you want to continue to live. Heal and shift. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. The soul always knows what to do to heal itself. The challenge is to silence the mind. If you want to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment, live in the breath. Learn to get in touch with the silence within yourself and know that everything in this life has a purpose. There are no mistakes, no coincidences. All events are blessings given to us to learn from. That's life, starting over, one breath at a time. Life will give you whatever experience is most helpful for the evolution of your consciousness. How do you know this is the experience you need? Because this is the experience you are having at the moment. You have to grow from inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. When you connect to the silence within you, that is when you can make sense of the disturbance going on around you. I think 99 times and find nothing. I stop thinking, swim in silence, and the truth comes to me. Your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside, dreams. Who looks inside, awakes. We spend a lot of time judging ourselves harshly for feelings that we had no role in summoning. The only thing you can control is how you handle it. You will never be able to escape from your heart. So it is better to listen to what it has to say. Your heart is the size of an ocean. Go find yourself in its hidden depths. Compassion is even more powerful than courage. Sure, with courage you can conquer a world, but only with compassion can you heal and build it. Pure awareness transcends thinking. It allows you to step outside the chattering negative self-talk and your reactive impulses and emotions. It allows you to look at the world once again with open eyes. And when you do so, a sense of wonder and quiet contentment begins to reappear in your life. If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. These pains you feel are messengers. Listen to them. Within you there is a stillness and a sanctuary to which you can retreat at any time and be yourself. You have been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Try approving of yourself and see what happens. Spiritual healing occurs as we begin to consciously reconnect with our essential being, the wise, loving, powerful, creative entity that we are at our core. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. Awakening is not changing who you are, but discarding who you are not. As soon as I allow the universe to replace my fear-based beliefs with new perceptions, I receive a miracle. The mind defines, decides, doubts, and divides. Only the heart truly binds. Awakening is about liberating yourself from the prison that is the world of the mind and daring to be here as all that you are. With everything that has happened to you, you can feel sorry for yourself or treat what has happened as a gift. Everything is either an opportunity to grow or an obstacle to keep you from growing. You get to choose. The use of love is to heal. When it flows without effort from the depth of the self, love creates health. Healing may not be so much about getting better, as about letting go of everything that isn't you, all of the expectations, all of the beliefs, and becoming who you are. Every human is an artist. The dream of your life is to make beautiful art. It is always the false that makes you suffer, the false desires and fears, the false values and ideas, the false relationships between people. Abandon the false and you are free of pain. Truth makes happy. Truth liberates. The spiritual journey is the unlearning of fear and prejudices and the acceptance of love back in our hearts. Love is the essential reality and our purpose on earth. To be consciously aware of it, to experience love in ourselves and others, is the meaning of life.